Hey guys, today we are going to look at more fun things that get taken out of your paycheck. So we're going to look at insurance, health insurance, and student loans. So the first thing we need to do is actually determine our monthly pay. So I found my net income from Thursday's assignment, which was basically my actual paycheck after all the taxes were deducted. Okay, so take that number and you need to put it right here. So your net income, and then you're going to divide that by 12 because 12 months in a year, and that is your estimated monthly amount per paycheck. Okay, so after that, of course, we have to take healthcare. Now, this is just medical. You also have vision, dental, and a couple of other things, but we're just going to look at medical health. So you are only going to look in the U category, okay, because in this instance you're not married and you don't have children or a family. So long story short, you choose a plan based on how often you go to the doctor or if you're expecting any surgeries or things. I used to be on the bronze plan, which is like the lowest amount of insurance because I don't go to the doctor very often. But after having a baby, I am now on an HMO plan, which is similar to the Anthem Gold because I go to the doctor more often as well. So does William. So I chose the HMO plan, which was $135 a month. So you need to write that down. All right. Then you will calculate your student loans. Okay. Now this is a very rough estimate. But we're going to pretend you'll have to go back to part 1 to determine what degree you had based on your GPA. I had a doctorate. So we're going to pretend that I accumulated this amount of debt. Each degree you get is going to obviously increase your debt. So then my monthly payment is going to be $790.79. So I wrote that here. So, to determine your paycheck amount after these final deductions, you're going to take your monthly payment, okay, subtract your health insurance, subtract your student loans, and this is my new paycheck amount after all of my deductions. And that is all you have to do.